What if you could leave your smartphone in your pocket and still stay connected to the world? In 2026, AI smart glasses are taking wearable tech to a whole new level, offering hands-free cameras, real-time translation, music, calls, navigation, and even built-in AI assistance. Today on RevX, we're checking out some of the coolest AI smart glasses that look like they came straight from the future. And if you love discovering the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe to RevX and turn on notifications. All the gadget links are in the description, so you can check out your favorites. Now, let's jump right into the list.
Want to capture your adventures without constantly holding a camera? These smart sports glasses let you record completely hands-free. They feature a 24-megapixel camera for detailed photos and can record 1080p Full HD video, making them great for cycling, hiking, driving, and outdoor activities. The lightweight sport frame is designed for all-day comfort, with a flexible, non-slip fit that stays in place while you move. Just press the button to start continuous recording, and the glasses can even record while charging, so longer adventures don't have to end because of a low battery. They're also resistant to sweat, splashes, and light rain, making them a practical companion for outdoor use. A camera you can literally wear, perfect for capturing life from your point of view.
What if your sunglasses could actually keep up with your entire day? The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses combine a classic look with built-in AI, a 12-megapixel camera, open-ear audio, and hands-free calling. You can capture photos and videos from your own point of view, live stream directly to social platforms, or ask Meta AI questions about what you're seeing. They can also play music, send messages, take calls, and even provide real-time translation between supported languages. And because they look and feel more like everyday Ray-Ban glasses, you don't have to sacrifice style for smart features. AI, camera, audio, and communication, all sitting right on your face.
If you thought XR glasses were already impressive, this one takes things to another level. These VITURE XR glasses can create a massive 174-inch virtual screen with a 58-degree field of view, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Sony micro LED display for an incredibly immersive viewing experience. Built-in 3D OF tracking lets you resize, reposition, and lock the screen in mid-air without needing extra software or dongles. You also get up to 1250 nits of brightness, 9 levels of dimming, auto transparency, and Harman-tuned audio for a more cinematic experience. And the really interesting part, its software can convert 2D content into 3D in real time. It's basically like carrying a giant private theater wherever you go. Here's a quick look at a pair of sunglasses that does a lot more than just protect your eyes. These smart Bluetooth sunglasses feature UV 400 lenses, built-in speakers, and a hidden microphone, letting you listen to music and take calls without reaching for your phone. The lightweight design makes them comfortable for everyday wear, while the simple button controls let you manage music, calls, and even your voice assistant. With up to 8 hours of playback and 200-hour standby time, they're a pretty interesting upgrade for anyone who loves practical tech.
Imagine having AI, a camera, translator, and wireless audio built right into a pair of everyday glasses. The Rokid AI Glasses style lets you access ChatGPT and Gemini with voice commands, so you can ask questions, identify objects, take notes, or set reminders without reaching for your phone. It also features a 12-megapixel Sony camera that can capture 3K video from your point of view, with electronic stabilization for smoother footage. Traveling? These glasses support real-time audio translation across 76 online languages, plus 8 offline languages. And with open-ear directional speakers, you can listen to music, calls, and AI responses while staying aware of your surroundings. Add the detachable 1700 mAh power capsule system, and you've got a seriously futuristic wearable. Smart glasses are getting seriously interesting.
If you think AR glasses are just a tiny screen in front of your eyes, the XREAL 1S is here to change that. These glasses can create a massive virtual screen up to 500 inches, turning movies, games, and even everyday apps into a personal theater you can take anywhere.
With 120Hz 3DOF viewing, a dedicated X1 chip, and multiple spatial modes, you can anchor, follow, or widen your virtual display depending on what you're doing. It can even transform regular content into 3D with a single switch. And the experience gets even better with Bose-tuned open-ear audio and TÜV Rheinland certified eye comfort features. Whether you're traveling, gaming, or simply relaxing, the XREAL 1S makes your screen feel anything but small. If you're into sports, fitness, or outdoor adventures, these smart glasses could give you a serious tech upgrade. The Oakley Meta HSTN combines performance eyewear with Meta AI, open-ear audio, and a built-in 12-megapixel camera with a 100-degree field of view. You can capture 3K Ultra HD video, take photos, listen to music, make calls, or ask Meta AI for real-time information, all without reaching for your phone. The glasses offer up to 8 hours of typical use, while the charging case provides an additional 48 hours of power. You can even add performance data from Garmin or Strava to your photos and videos for sharing. Built for the field, the gym, and everyday adventures, these glasses are seriously smart. If you spend hours staring at a computer or phone screen, these glasses could be a simple upgrade for your everyday routine. They feature blue light filtering lenses designed to reduce exposure to blue light from digital screens, while the lightweight, transparent frame keeps them comfortable and stylish. The clear design works for both men and women, making them easy to wear at work, gaming, studying, or late-night scrolling. Simple, lightweight, and practical. These are the kind of glasses you can keep on your desk and reach for whenever screen time starts adding up.
What if your everyday glasses could also be your personal Alexa assistant? These Echo frames let you play music, podcasts, or Audible books completely hands-free, just by asking Alexa. The open-ear speakers deliver audio without covering your ears, while auto volume can adjust the sound based on your surroundings. You can also make calls, contact your favorite person with a button press, and even control compatible smart home devices like lights, locks, and thermostats while you're away. The frames are designed to look like regular, stylish glasses, with premium materials, spring hinges, and blue light filtering lenses. And when you want privacy, the microphones can be muted with a simple double press. Smart features without looking like a gadget. That's what makes these interesting.
Ever wished you could capture what you're seeing without pulling out your phone? These camera glasses make that possible. With a built-in 1080p camera, you can record hands-free while hiking, driving, watching live events, or simply capturing everyday moments from your own point of view. Using them is incredibly simple. Just press the button on the side to start recording. The rechargeable battery provides around 80 minutes of continuous recording, with videos automatically saved in 10-minute segments. When the storage is full, the glasses automatically overwrite older footage. Just keep in mind, the recorded videos are designed to be transferred and viewed on a computer using the USB connection or an SD card reader. Simple, hands-free, and perfect for capturing moments from your perspective.
These Get Die AI smart glasses feature ChatGPT support, real-time two-way translation across 74 languages, and voice-to-text transcription for meetings, notes, or everyday conversations. The open-ear speakers deliver clear stereo audio while keeping your ears open to your surroundings, and Bluetooth 5.4 with dual ENC microphones helps keep calls crystal clear. They also feature blue light filtering lenses, making them a useful companion for long hours around screens. With up to 11 hours of music playback, IP54 water and sweat resistance, and simple touch or voice controls, they're designed for everyday use. AI is getting wearable, and these glasses are a pretty cool example.
And that's a wrap on some of the coolest AI smart glasses of 2026. From hands-free cameras and smart AI assistants to real-time translation, immersive audio, and futuristic features, these glasses are proving that wearable tech is getting smarter than ever. Which one would you actually want to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to RevX, and turn on notifications for more amazing gadgets and future tech. All the product links are in the description if you want to check them out.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.